Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anael and this is my first ever vlog. And if you notice, my quality changed because I got a camera. I am doing a maintenance vlog. The reason I'm getting ready is because my birthday is coming soon. I want to look good, feel good, look fresh. On this video's to-do list, we have to do my eyebrows, I have to do my nails. For my lashes, I'm still thinking about it because I can just do it myself. I don't like how dramatic they be looking. I haven't found anybody that like does it the way I like yet, so I might just settle for like the false scare strip lashes or whatever, or individuals. I'll figure it out. Lastly, I have to get my hair done. I have an appointment set for tomorrow. I actually have to go. It's currently 1, so I really gotta go. My nails are not looking like anything. Eyebrows. Let me show you my outfit of the day. So this is the outfit of the day. Please ignore why my mirror is in my window, but anyways, I just want to show you. I got this shirt from Boohoo, and I think these cargos were from Misguided. And I want to wear my Crocs because I'm getting my nails done, but it's also cold outside, so I'm still thinking about it. I'm trying to see if I can get away with my Crocs. But anyways, I still have to put my puffer jacket on, so let me show you the full thing. This is the full fit, right? Bag and my headphones. I don't go anywhere without my headphones because what do I need to hear? Right now I gotta go. We gotta go. Like, keep it a stock. Just move on, cause they know I got bands. If he's chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Kiki, you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stock. Just move on, cause they know I got bands. If he's chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. Kiki, you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, so he put my name in a tag. And I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. I hope everybody's doing well today. I have to do my hair. Yesterday I was supposed to get my eyebrows done. I didn't. So I have to do this today. And I'm getting my hair done. I am excited. I'm actually on my way right now. I'm done getting ready. I'm about to leave. Yeah, I'm going to do my hair. I'm trying something new. Hopefully it comes out right. And it's my birthday. It has to be right. These are my nails. Ooh, I need lotion. About to head out. Let me show you my fit real quick. Like, this became one of my favorite jackets. Something simple, something light, and I actually have to go. I do that big what's up to get I testify for you. I feel that like you, that bitch like you. With all of them around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you looking out here for me, I got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. So the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose. I'm done with my hair, but I want my curls to hold. So this is how we're hitting the streets. Still cute, period. So, hey, I am finally on my way to get my eyebrows done. It's not crazy, but I just need a little cleanup. I personally enjoy getting my eyebrows threaded. Maybe I enjoy the pain. I don't know what it is. Waxing, I wax my eyebrows maybe one time. And then plucking, the worst. I settle for threading. It's not that bad. I guess once you're used to it. I'm lying. I'm not used to it. I still flinch a little.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like.
Okay, I look fresh again. Low-key. The girl almost fucked up my eyebrows. Almost. I was like, girl, don't go too thin. And she was like, maybe trim a little bit more. I was like, alright girl, do your thing. I think I did everything except for my lashes. I don't think I'm doing my lashes because it's so time consuming. And this is the one thing I don't have right now. Time. It's very windy. So I don't know if you can hear me. And I'm low-key running out of breath. So I'll see you inside of the house. Bye.
What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she